Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello everyone. We were discussing about the curriculum in the last video. So this one is the sequel for the curriculum video. Here we are going to talk about the types of curriculum. So when we are talking about the curriculum, there are different types of curriculum. For example, teacher-centric curriculum, child-centric curriculum, task-centric curriculum, then activity-centric curriculum, experience-based curriculum, correlation based curriculum. So there are different types of curriculum available, and most of the schools they were conventionally adopting this teacher centric curriculum, but nowadays day by day every day they are shifting from the teacher centric to the student centric and then to the activity centric. Most of the schools, when we are talking about the private schools these days, they are mostly working over the activities based curriculum a lot. And other than that, when we are going to talk about the government based schools, then also we can say that these days most of these schools are actually trying to the transition from the earlier type of the teacher centric to the student centric and the activity based one. So the task centered or the activity based, they are very much involving type of things, and they are basically making a student competitive for the upcoming life, where the student becomes able to tackle different problems, to solve different types of problems using their different skills. So the different skills, they are going to be basically developed here. So this is the difference between these three types of curriculum, which are most important types of curriculum. First, we are going to talk about the teacher-centric curriculum. So in the teacher-centric curriculum, the thing was that it was a kind of old curriculum in which mostly the syllabus was considered the curriculum. The syllabus of the textbooks, they were treated as a curriculum, and they were taught in the schools throughout the year, and it was the sole activity, we can say, on the basis of which the students, they were evaluated. When we are going to talk about the student centric, then the interest of the students, how the students get involved in the working of the curriculum, like giving them some activities like we can say projects, making of some assignments. These things, they are basically done in the student centric curriculum. But when we are going to talk about the activity based curriculum, this is the one very good type of the curriculum, which is going to basically help in getting the inclusive growth of any nation or overall students, right? Because in the activity based curriculum, what happens, the students, they are not only involved in the studies like textbook reading and reading of other things, but more than that, they are also involved in some different types of things. For example, they are basically involved in the activities like crafting, sports, yoga, and making of the new things, some innovative clubs in which they can join some science club, some arts club, and some other psychological things can also be developed. So basically these type of curriculum, they are based on the overall growth of the students. So this can be considered a good example, a good type to have an inclusive growth. These are the important types of the curriculum. So this was it in today's video. Have a good day. Thank you.